How's it going, guys? Today we're doing another video. Today we are doing hunting because that's the only suggestion I got. So today we're hopefully going to be hunting either little sparrows or some blackbirds. And who knows? If you guys say anything, the next one, if you guys comment, the next one will be a catch, clean, and cook. So right now I'm at my house and we got a little sparrow problem. More like blackbird problem is worse. So I'll talk to you guys whenever I see one. Okay, guys, I think that I just saw a blackbird fly by. We're gonna go see if we can get it. Well, I've not found anything except for a good spot to maybe get some. I've seen them fly by here a lot, but can't really shoot them midair. We don't have a shotgun or anything, but we are, I don't know what that button does, but we are right here on a fence line. My chicken coop's on the other side of the fence line, and they like to hang out on top of it. So, and also there's a ditch on the other side, so maybe they'll stop by and think they can get some food. So let's see what happens. Probably will be nothing going on, but who knows. Since we have some extra time, I thought I'd just kind of show my gun here, a Benjamin Ironhide. And I think it's a 14-1 scope. No, I'm way off. 44 to 32 scope on it. Came with the gun, so let's just see what we can get. There's the fence line I was talking about, and then the ditch is over there. I've seen a couple more flyby since the last time I checked in with you guys, so let's just see what happens. So we still got nothing. I'm still looking around, and I'm seeing a lot going on across the street over there, or across the field, and nothing on my side. I just saw a couple more fly by, but they didn't want to stay around, so whatever. Okay, third time moving spots, still had nothing. So we went into the backyard. Ooh, we got something. I just was walking around. Okay, I'll be back with you right in a minute. Those are the three that I was looking for, but they were over here on this post, but then they flew off and moved over to that post, which is a little out of my range, so I'll wait for them, see if they come back. We got some birds flying over right now. Let's hope they land. Oh, we got a taker. Okay, got a couple takers. Not me. I can't show this on YouTube, so I'm just gonna show it. Well, we took a shot at that one bird, tried for a headshot to make it a clean kill. Went just over, and no shot, no go, pretty much. So I'll keep sitting at this spot because I wasn't here but 3 minutes. Already got a couple birds, and then we got some of the power lines. Ooh, got some coming in. Not me. I'm watching them. So let's hope that they can get in a spot where I can say, ooh, we got one. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Well, I was just about to take the shot, and then he went into the chicken coop, so I can't shoot in the chicken coop, but there'll definitely be more coming back. Oh, no, they're going to the field. So a lot of stuff I can't shoot coming in, but I've seen a lot of blackbirds on their way, but they're all, ooh, here we go. Okay, guys, we're back at the same spot. It's been about 5 minutes, and Connor just got home, my little brother, so he can now be cameraman for me. And over there, we got the blackbird still sitting over there, which hopefully you can zoom in. And then we don't have anything else we can really shoot right now, so we're just kind of waiting for him to come in. Wish us luck. Whenever I say wish us, you're on the one blackbird. Okay, we got one over there. See if we can get it. You on point?
Yep.
No. We can't shoot him no more. We got on the fence, which I can't shoot. Ooh, we got another one though.
Ooh.
You see him over there through the trees?
Oh.
Okay, pause the video. got him, Connor?
Yep.
Oh, he left.
Oh, he left. Right, so.
That'll have to edit out because you really did not do that very well. See if we can get a hold of it. Okay, Connor zoomed in on it.
Oh, it was close.
We were way low, I saw it. Okay, guys, I don't know how well that's going to turn out, but Car's doing actually a pretty good job. He's going to go get his 22, and I'm going to have him do the next bird that's over this way. Next blackbird. So maybe he can get a couple. I'll have him do a couple because he feels left out. But we ain't doing half bad, even though we've missed a bunch. But now they're all starting to come in, so now let's, whoops. Now let's reload the rifle and hope another one comes in. Actually, I gotta go get different pellets. These are our problem. Okay, guys, I just got the new pellets. These ones are, I do believe, other ones were Daisy. These, I do believe, are Premier. Yeah, we got some Premier hollow points, 14.3 grain. Now these will flatten something real quick if we can get one in range. Ooh, okay. Connor just left, but he'll be back in a minute. Connor's not here to show off his gun. He's got a My First Rifle, little cricket gun, little 22 short rifle. It'll knock a bird dead real fast. Both of ours will knock a blackbird dead in about 2.5 seconds. So there's mine, here's his. So now let's see how much we can get in about, I got another 2 hours or so let's just go shoot one, but it looks like that won't be happening. So lock up the gun and hey guys, we just got the new pellets. I'm gonna make sure they're all sighted in.
Back there! Over there! There was something big over here. Big bird.
Well, we can't shoot that way. It looks like somebody's... Oh, no, you can't shoot that way no more.
Why?
Somebody looks like he's over there doing a little bit of core sampling, which we don't want to accidentally shoot him. So let's just kind of keep it over on the down low.
Well, I can still shoot that way, right?
Yeah, no. There's a road over there.
No.
Well, that looked like Mr. Brown.
Yeah, and he looked it over when you said Mr. Brown.
Yeah, I know, but it's whatever. Let's hope we can get something here. Now I'm just kind of searching. We can only shoot in that direction now. That direction now. We can't shoot over that way or
wait, you're
over
not
that way.
even filming.
Yeah, I am.
And Kenny.
Okay, guys. So we're back. After I just made sure this gun was all sighted in, I think it is pretty good. If it's not, then we're kind of screwed because I don't have a very good way to shoot. But it looks like over there might be Mr. Brown, which I don't like him over there, but looks like he's just doing core samples, so he'll probably be gone here soon. But I don't know who it is. It looks like him, but he's just walking all sporadically over there. It looks like him. If I could see his truck, I would tell you, but I can't see his truck over there. Okay, anyway. We've got one blackbird over there flying in, but it doesn't look like he's going to land over here. Anyway, let's just try to get something. Okay. Follow me quietly. We don't want this bird to be spooked. See the two up there? Okay, got him locked in. You got it locked in, Connor?
Yep.
Oh, just flipping low. Okay, I think I might see another one. I'm gonna go back and get another bullet. I suck right now. My hand's cold, my face is cold, it is cold. And I gotta go back to ag mech practice here and it's 3:30, about an hour. So, time check for you guys is about 3:20. Might have said a little bit 10 minutes early, but let's hope we get something right now. Can you see it? Okay. Okay. Here we go. Let's try to get that bird. Okay. Oh, actually, can we get that one? That one's a little bit better.
I see it.
There's one. Yep. Okay, we're going for it. You can go a little high. Oh! You've got to be kidding. I was just high. Well, looks like that bird's a bust. We'll get you back whenever we see another one.
Here's your phone.
We ain't seen much. We might have to revert to sparrows, which I don't want to do, but I'll do to make the viewers happy, which aren't very many, but if I post every day, it might make it go a little better. So, talk to you then. Okay. Follow me quietly. We don't want this part to be spilled. See the two up there? Okay, got it locked in. You got it locked in, Connor?
Yep.
Oh, just flipping low. Okay, I think I might see another one. I'm gonna go back and get another boat. I suck right now. My hands cold, my face is cold, it is cold. And I gotta go back to ag mech practice here and it's 3:30, about an hour. So, time check for you guys is about 3:20. Might have said a little bit 10 minutes early, but let's hope we get something right now. Okay guys, we got two up there. Let's hope we can get one of them at least. Hope I'm not that botch of a shot. Oh, I am that botch of a shot. Okay, now this is the outro. We're quitting a little early because I'm getting cold, my hands are getting cold. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.